What's up guys, Trader Neil here, back at you with another crypto video. So today we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin. We're going to be talking about if I think Bitcoin is going to be entering a potential bear market, or if I think this bounce on BTC could be prolonged and we could be targeting new highs on this rally next. So before we get started, I would appreciate it if you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel at Trader Neil. We are so close to 2,000 subscribers on the channel, guys. You already got me to 1,500, and so next goal is 2,000. Let's see if we can hit it within the next couple months. And as always, if you guys hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos, I would very much appreciate that as well. Other than that, let's get started looking at Bitcoin here on the charts. So as you guys can see here, BTC bounced off of this daily level last Friday on that dump, and we are getting the etchings of a potential equal low here on BTC. Whether you call it an equal low, a higher low, whatever you want to say, I will say, looking at this, guys, look at all of these lows on Bitcoin throughout this entire range since March. As you can see, every single one of these lows has been a lower low on a daily closing basis, except for the most recent low we just put in. Seeing this to be an exact equal low on the daily compared to what we had at the beginning of August is a good sign for bulls. I like to see that. However, does it mean we're out of the woods yet? Not at all, in my opinion. I think that overall, this is a good start for bulls to start pushing price up on Bitcoin, especially going into a traditionally bullish Q4. But there's a couple levels of interest that I have. So I do think this rally is going to continue, but a big area of interest that I have here, guys, and that in my opinion is going to be the level to really be watching, is this daily level here at 59,100, which is also our monthly open. So here at this level, guys, I would really like to see Bitcoin reclaim it. However, at the moment, I really do think Bitcoin is going to hit this level, which is also coincided with the 200 EMA on the daily, and probably reject, at least initially. So keeping an eye on here, guys, I think that watching for a potential short at that level is probably a good idea. However, does that mean we're going to hit this level, reject, and immediately come down to make new lows? In my opinion, no. I would be looking at a move to this level and then seeing if we can potentially put in a higher low somewhere around 56K and then getting a flip after that. And that would lead us into a bullish October potentially and a bullish Q4. Do I think that there's always the possibility that we make new lows? Of course, you got to leave all possibilities on the table, guys. But as of now, I do think that with, the stock market pushing to potential new all-time highs and Bitcoin holding its ground here at support after that dump on Friday, I like that show of strength. And so, in my opinion, this is how bottoms are formed, guys. Seeing a potential equal low, higher low, whatever you want to call it here, and then getting a push to the upside, that's what you want to see. Further than that, guys, if we reject from here and fail to put in a higher low, then I would be watching for Monday's lows to be potentially taken out and looking for a bounce there. If we end up truly breaking below last Friday's lows and making lower lows on the daily, if we break below these lows at 53,500, then that's when I would be looking at filling this wick potentially on the 5th of August and even potentially coming down to low 40K. However, while we are bouncing and Bitcoin is showing strength here, guys, I wouldn't be, let's say, positioning just yet for price action to come here. I would be cautious until you break above this daily and monthly open and these higher time frame moving averages. However, at the moment, I think bulls are in control. Looking at things on lower time frames, guys, not only do you have the daily and monthly open, the daily 200 moving average there at these levels, but you also have the 4-hour 200 moving average and the exponential moving average up here. So there's a lot of stacked resistances at these levels, guys, and a lot of supply at these levels. So I would really like to see what Bitcoin can do. Last time we pushed up and hit the 4-hour 200 moving averages here, we rejected, and overall, we ended up getting a pretty substantial move down after that. So even though lower time frame market structure is still bullish here for Bitcoin, I definitely wouldn't be max longing here by any means. I would be cautious of what you see on the charts. I would wait for a flip of this level, and then if you do get that, that's when I would be targeting 61,700 or so. And honestly, guys, if we really do flip that level, then I would see us coming to this level on Bitcoin as a strong possibility. So at the moment, what do I think about the charts? I think if you're in low longs from these levels here, that if we do come up to this higher time frame resistance at 59,100, that would be a place where I'm personally looking to take some profit off longs. Now, this doesn't necessarily have to do with altcoins, because others' dominance and a lot of altcoins are popping off at the moment and actually flipping these 4-hour 200 trends, which looks good. But I'm just talking about Bitcoin here for now, guys, and looking at the chart, this is a big level that I want to see flipped. So just a short little video for you guys, just talking about the 4-hour and daily time frame on Bitcoin and some levels I'm looking at. Keep these on your chart, set alerts at them as well if you guys want to be just in the know when and if price action hits them, so you can be prepared. Alright guys, that'll be it for the video today. I appreciate you all for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Throw them in the comment section below. And just a little game for you guys. In the comment section below, I want you guys to comment what your favorite soda is, Pepsi or Coke. Alright, other than that, this is Trader Neil signing out. Hope you guys have a great Thursday afternoon, and I'll catch you guys for another video very soon. Alright guys, Trader Neil out. Peace.